Board Gamers Killers here, and today's video is we are going to review the fidget spinners. I got this fidget spinner in my baseball season. This is over at Azel. There's 7-Eleven in Azel. Yeah, and I got another one too. See I can find it. Hold on. Alright, so I got this green one. I got this last month. This is part of one of my favorites, so see. Yeah, I like the green one because it feels smooth. It feels good. So this green, not the green one, this red one. This red one's better than the green one, but this is kind of bumpy-ish. If you hold it, it's bumpy-ish, and yeah, I enjoy this. I like taking this to school a lot, and this one, I used this to take it like home, just for home and all that. This one I like taking this to school. This is my favorite spinner. Oh crap. Okay, so this takes 1 minute and 54 seconds. Okay. And this take like 1 minute and 2 seconds. So actually this is my favorite. So I'm gonna take out the cap, see the bearings and all that. I don't like to take these bearings out because I don't like it. Cause if I take it out so much, it falls. Oh crap! I dropped it. Sorry, I dropped this little thing. God, shoot. All right, so the bearing, I can take the bearing out, but not right now because I'm holding this. There, let me see. I can try to take it out. Probably not, guys. So probably not. So okay, the bearing. See, it spins real good. I just cleaned it out. I just cleaned the bearing today. So now right now it can last long. So okay. Boom. Beautiful fidget spinner. Isn't beautiful? I choose red because I really want a red one. So I wanted a blue one, but they don't have the blue one because I love the color blue, but they don't have it. They have the white one, but I like the white one, but shoot, that's not my favorite color. So the black one, I love the black one. It can match anything, but I just choose the red. Like, Jesus Christ. 7-Eleven, this fidget spinner, $9.99. I'm like, oh my God. So alright. This one's $8.69. Because this spins real good and all that. See? Yeah, because it's all jacked up here and all that. I was mad that I first bought this and I find out it has this. I was like, oh my God. one of my things fall off in my desk. So yeah, I got mad. So I'm not taking this cap off. Let's see, I can try to take this one out. Oh Jesus! Hurry up! Get out! Yeah. It's hard to take off. This one's hard to take out. Cause it's metal. This is a metal fidget spinner. It's metal. See, real bearings. This is like the online. It looks like the online, but it's metal. It's a metal bearing, so it's real. Like, yeah, it's it's smooth. Okay, so I'm putting this fella back. All right. Mm-hmm. Ha ha ha. See, it's shiny, right? God darn it. All right. Throw this away. Let's see this. My favorite one. Oh, guys. Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right, guys. There it is. Using my left hand, so I love my left hand, so it's my favorite hand. It's the strongest hand, so I can even punch and all. So look at this. God darn it. Oh, I swear to God. If this fall off of my hand one more time, I'm gonna... Oh my gosh. That's what I hate. I hate falling off in my hand. Let's see, I can make it. Ah! God! Oh. Hey boy, you better not... You better not fall off of my hand, alright? Last chance. God darn it. Alright. No, never mind. I tried that again. I did that on purpose. Let's see. I did that on purpose, so. Let's see. So I can do it. It's so getting close. Alright, so I just trying to make a video. Haven't been made a video in like for a month or weeks. So I want you to give a like, subscribe to my channel, comment. If I get 20 likes, if I get 20 likes, I'll give away these kind of fidget spinners, but not this one, but I'll buy another one. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe, thumbs up if you like it, share, subscribe, comment, and leave a like. Sorry, I'd say it plenty of times. Alright, deuce. Okay. Alright, let's see. We're gonna wait for a stop. Just wait. This is boring. Alright, enough of that. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Deuce.